Oh wow. Let's go inside.
Raining out now, huh?
Yeah, really.
He was just in here, he wasn't wet, and now he came in here wet.
Oh, because it is 3 in the afternoon and I would know. Like, all that I did was take a nap after I went to have a walk and then I eat. Oh, I want to show you this. Look at this. I need to remove this. Oh, look the size of this. Something that I am learning is like, I don't like this new. Look at this. It's no good. Mold. So I will be removing this, throwing away, and the other ones are good. I think that one has too much immunity. These ones are germinating, they're good. I will put a little more of water. I will make new ones and throw away these. Look, my beads are so big. This one, nothing. I think they needed a little more, but I will have to keep these very moist so they can keep growing. So that, and this is not so big, so of course at this size is overdone with the size. And cilantro is not coming yet, none of them. Cilantro is really hard for me. I don't know why, but I'm not losing the hopes. We will see. So I will water them. I have my sprayer here, and I will water also this one. Do new stacks. I went to do my groceries and I got these to put in my decoration for my table. That maybe I will do today or tomorrow. I got in probiotics, and I'm changing the apple cider that I have. Okay, this one for this one. These are more pills. These are chewies. And this one I'm switching for this one. I used to have more often these, and I think this works better. This is okay. The flavor is good. I like that it has magnesium. So they didn't have these. I decided to go back to these for now, the probiotic, and when these come back, maybe I will get. But so far, I haven't had too much crumbs on my legs, so it will work okay. So as soon as I finish those, I will have these two new, and I have a lot to iron, and I have a big mess here because I was doing a lot of laundry yesterday. This is all to iron. I will go to get the last that is for iron, but I need to make, before I forget, my sweater. Let me stand here. How we doing? I've finished all the length of the sweater, and I am beginning the first sleeve. I will insert a part of the video when I test today in the morning, and I noticed that I better don't do any elastic. I think this is really tight, and the crochet part is not like the other one that is so loose. I think it's just this, doing this crochet, it gets really tight, but so far it's good. And I hope I lost more weight too, so it gets a little more nice. And of course I did the skeins, like I say, because it was a big mess. This is all that I have left. I hope is enough for the two sleeve. If no, I will know when I'm almost done in this sleeve if I need more. Oh, yeah, okay. I will make a tea, and then we will iron.